Hi there. We've been trapped in the house for 2 or 3 weeks right now, and we are running out of food. But a lot of people have it much worse and have had it much worse. So I am not complaining. But, and there's always a but, after watching this video, you might complain because we're going to try something different. We are going to try and make you smile. The question is how to survive. That is what you want to do. I'm running out of milk for my cereal at lunchtime, and how am I going to do it? Got an idea. I am going to try to make an Indian dish called bel puri, except I'm going to do it with what I have in the house right now and Cheerios. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix various flavors together. I'm going to take some beans, some Goya beans. We'll take 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of that. By the way, this is not a recipe. I took an apple. We have the world's smallest apples. I cut it up. I dropped that in. I got black beans and that. I then want flavor. I'm going to add some of this tamarind and date chutney. All right, let's put a big tablespoon of this stuff in there. And I'm going to add some of this mint chutney, which is really spicy. So let's put a little bit of that in there. I am now going to add my Cheerios to it. I didn't have many Cheerios, that's all I had. And last and not least, I am going to put some of this stuff which is called 7, which is basically chickpeas. This is chickpeas. I am going to mix it all up, and with luck, I have flavor. And it won't kill me. Now the question is, how does this taste? It has so much flavor. It's actually very good. Other people have had it worse. We all have to survive. We all have to stay healthy. Eating matters, even an unusual combination of stuff like this. By the way, we had to film this in one take because we were running out of Cheerios. You saw, I used the last of them. Another, by the way, and this is important, today is day 58. 58. It's been that long since I've eaten between meals, and I am down 14 pounds. Not to brag, but that's 224 ounces. I'm down. And the last, by the way, today I'm throwing the garbage out. I'm going out. I am so excited. I don't know what to wear. I am Mike for the Be More Better team. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. Please like, follow, comment, all the rest. Subscribe if you haven't. But always, always be more better. Body, mind, and spirit. And then be even more better when you see the light at the end of the tunnel and show it to others. Tell us what sort of things are helping you through the darkness. Until the next time. Bye now. Thank you.